Glad to have you back. Well, it's that time where we look at the figures from the exchange limited. But the market is down today, 0.12%. Yes, let me tell you very quickly. Again, as we have Red Star X, we have Trans Express, we have Suno Assurance, Triple G, Charms PLC. Losers, we have GlaxoSmithKline, we have Veritax Capital, we have WAPIC, we have Royal Exchange, we have Fidelity Bank. Joining us via Zoom to do this and talk more about the trading performance at the exchange is an equities trader at APT Securities and Funds Limited, Mr. Jamiu Mohammed. Mr. Mohammed, good afternoon and thank you so much for your time. It's good to see you.
Good afternoon. It's a pleasure to be here on the program.
Well, the market is down today. Looking at all of the economic issues surrounding Nigeria's economic space, what do you think is responsible for these fundamentals and around the market?
Yes, today closed in the red, and we just believe that it's the normal thing to happen in the market. You see in the market today, where our market closed negative by 0.12%, 0.12%. We saw the total value traded around 3.1 billion, and the number of units traded is around 225 million units of shares traded in the market today. As we have it today, we have 16 gainers and 17 losers, which is being led by Northern Nigerian Flour Mill and other stocks you have mentioned earlier. So looking at what is happening in the market and with the economic happenings, I believe that they have little influence on what is happening in the market. But what happened today is rather the oscillation around the market movement that we're supposed to experience. We have had about 5 days gaining, and now we are having 2 days losing. So, but on the trajectory, the market is still on the growth, and we believe that the going up of general market, the general prices of stocks in the market is going to be up because of the fact that I've told you earlier, is the earnings season that the companies have started releasing their results, and the result has been released so far. They are very good as we speak.
Good results, like you said. The insurance sector, I'm always looking at, I know their stocks are, well, we call them penny stocks, right? What is happening around that space at this time? And even the banking sector, considering what is happening with the Apex Bank, with another redesign issue.
Okay, when we talk about insurance sector, those companies listed in the insurance sector of the exchange started to witness a kind of growth in the coming to the market for additional funds, and also a lot of things that are happening in the last 10 years. And it got to a point that NICOM started introducing one or two things from the angle of recapitalization, and also merging to form a kind of a big company that have a very good capital base. So that's recapitalization and other strategic decisions that have been taken in the sector has now improved the sector. Now, as we speak, they are still at that level that we call them penny stock. But what we have seen is a situation whereby we have investors, foreign investors, and also both local institutional investors are now coming after those insurance stocks to make sure that they enter into this stock and they turn around things and make this sector to be profitable more than what it used to be. An example of them is International Energy. International Energy that has been trading around 40 kobo. A company called Lauren Berger just come up one day and said it's ready to take up the stock around at 1.60 kobo. It's going up as we speak today. The stock closed around 1.38 kobo. This is a stock that has been trading around 40 kobo, 30 kobo before now. So generally in insurance companies that are listed on the exchange are witnessing a kind of inflow of direct investment. So people are trying to invest in the stock now, and you see what is happening right there. Going into banking sector, the banking sector has not been affected because of the fact that the result that has been released so far is just last year's result. And whatever the information is around a particular stock is going to be factor in with the price based on the result they released this year. So the result is for the last year, and the dividend whatsoever they want to pay is going to be based on last year figure. So it may not that affecting the banking sector. And coupled with the fact that the problem we are having today is it's kind of a short-term problem, and we believe that in a very short period of time, everything will normalize in the banking sector.
I must thank you so much for your time there, Mr. Jamiu Mohammed, equities trader, Equities Securities and Funds Limited.